Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my Boxycharm premium box for the month of October. I have already finished filming and I believe already uploaded my base box, which I will link up above. But today we're jumping into the premium box. Now this is the $35 a month subscription box. So today we're going to find out, is it worth that sticker price? I do forget to mention this, but as always, this is PR. This is not paid, but none of this is sponsored. So you're going to get an honest review, and you're going to know if I love the box, but I'm not being paid for this, but this was sent to me. Anyway, if you want to see the items that came in my October premium box, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, stay tuned. So the theme of the box is just like the base box, Boxycharm Spellbound, very appropriate for the month of October, and honestly my favorite theme of the year. There are 6 products in this box, and as long as we get $35 or more out of it, I think the box will be worth it. What I typically like to say when I'm trying to figure out, is it a good or a bad box, is would I have been better off taking $35 and going to Sephora or Ulta, or is the box a good value? So, first item out of the box is going to be from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Georgia Blush, which I believe is more of a highlighter. It's a golden peach blush. But when I looked at the color, and it does come with a brush that I'm honestly not going to use, it looks more like a blush topper or a highlighter. So I have a little bit of blush on and a little bit of a highlight on, but we're going to kind of amp everything up today. Retailing for $30, a peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. It is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer for a hint of glow. Silky smooth, super fine powder blends effortlessly to give the cheeks a fresh, picked flush and a peachy, keen sheen. That is really hard to say. I'm going to grab my E4 from Morphe, which is my favorite blush brush, and I'm going to take some of this and apply it to the cheeks. It's definitely giving me a soft glow to the skin. I'm not going to say that it's like really, really shiny, but you'll notice it did kind of tone down some of the pink on the cheek that I had on earlier. I think it's a really pretty tone. It's not like super pigmented where I feel like it's really transforming. So like I said before I tried it, I do think this is more of a blush topper, but I'm really happy with the tone of it. Like it's just making everything feel really nice and warm. Yeah, it's pretty. I definitely think it's an extra step. Like if you're using a highlighter and a blush, you might use something like this to blend it together. I'm going to take my highlighter brush and pick up a decent amount of this and see how that does for building this up. Yeah, so when you take it on a highlight brush on the high points of the face, it definitely amps up that glow quite a bit and kind of brings everything. I just noticed it smells like peaches. That's actually really cute. Yeah, so it's going to be a luminous blush topper. I wouldn't wear this on its own as a blush, but I think it might be really pretty for those of you who like to use something like this to tie a blush and a highlighter together. The next item out of the box comes from Tarte. This is the Man Eater Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Buff. Retailing for $19, apply the Man Eater gloss for a visibly plumper looking lip. Nourishing formula soothes the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volume Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips in just one swipe. I already checked and there is no allergen ingredients in here, so I am good to try it out. I did already line my lips. I'm wearing the Dominique Cosmetics Crush Lip Liner that came in my Boxycharm a few months ago. Still one of my favorite lip liners ever. And I'm going to apply this right on top. It is definitely a thick gloss. I'm not getting like any tingle or burn, which is a good sign, but I am getting a little bit of that like menthol-y tingle. There's also quite a bit of pigment here. So you'll see it really toned that lip to make it a little bit more pinky, whereas before it was more of a nude. Now that I built it up, it is a little bit on the sticky side, but I don't know if that's going to go away. So I'm going to keep this on, and I'll let you know at the end if I've like come to love it or decided I hate it. So we jump into the next item in the box. I mentioned in my Boxycharm October spoiler video that I did back in September that one of the choice items was the Rowan Vow Brow Brow Pencil And then I was not excited for it. I don't like brow pencils. I prefer a brow gel. So this is going to go right in a giveaway. But just for those of you interested, it retails for $26. Val Brow is the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. The fine 1.7 millimeter tip is firm and ideal for both precise and natural looking brows. Use the built-in spoolie brush to blend and comb. Yeah, this is going to be your generic your generic eyebrow brush. Again, I don't love eyebrow pencils. I typically prefer a gel. Today, I literally just combed a tiny bit of my Milk Makeup Kush brow through my brows, and that was it. The next item comes from Vor. I've received this brand once or twice in FabFitFun and then once before in Boxycharm. This is the Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. Retails for $22. Velvety softness is just a cool whip away. A blanket of downy soft snow for your hair shafts. This is your hair care secret to the soft snow styling foam. It is a detail key to crunch-free hydrated goodness that hushes flyaways and puts your curls on repeat. Apparently it is curl friendly. It is silicone, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free, cruelty free. So definitely something that I would absolutely try. So obviously I'm not going to use it on camera because my hair's already done, but I will use this in an upcoming video. I will let you know what I think about it. Now that the gloss has been on for a while, it's starting to tingle a bit and I feel like I can see a little bit of plumpness. And some of that stickiness went down, so I'm not mad at it. The next item out of the box comes from the brand Dew of the Gods. They are the Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. This retails for $20. Why inject when you can object to dull, tired under eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. This is like an iced coffee for the soul, 30 minutes of bliss. Each filler pad is blessed with a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? Kind of a little hippy-dippy. I do love under eye gels, but I have so many, so I will end up using this eventually, but I'm not ready for it just yet. So like I mentioned in pretty much every unboxing, when it comes to skincare, there is an expiration date, and if you open it and you're not going to use it, it will go bad. Obviously, with a pre-soaked under eye gel, that's not the end of the world because they are individually packaged, but I still do try not to open things I'm not ready to use. And the last item out of the box, as soon as I'm ready to use, I will be absolutely opening up. This is from 111 Skin. It is the Antioxidant Energizing Essence, retailing for $100 even. The Antioxidant Energizing Essence is a lightweight product delivering fast-absorbing, fast-acting antioxidant properties while enriching the skin with NaCY2 and a blend of soothing botanical extracts. Used directly after cleansing as a skincare primer to follow with your regular 111 skin routine. The essence will provide immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalization for a refreshed and reinvigorated skin. I love essences because they really do help to balance the skin and get everything ready for all of your skincare. When you use an essence, you will notice the rest of your skincare penetrating a little bit deeper, and you will get much better results long-term out of your skincare. So all in all, for $35, this box has a retail value of $217. So obviously, if you like just one product, you usually get your money's worth. Now that it's sat on the skin for a little bit, I think that blush topper really transformed the cheek. I think it looks much better than it did when I sat down to film. Also, I'm not mad at the gloss. I do still feel that tingly plump, but it feels really nice, and I do notice that the lips are plumped up a little bit. I notice it a little bit more on the bottom lip, but I really like the color, so it's definitely something that I would absolutely use again. That being said, of the 4 items I didn't try, one of them I have zero interest in, one of them I have no interest in today, and 2 I'm really excited to try. So definitely a win of a box for me. Not as good as the base box this month, but definitely a contender for one of the better boxes of the year. Lately, I haven't been super thrilled with my boxes, and I've been pretty honest about that in my reviews, but today I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear your opinions, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!